Hey guys, welcome to my studio. In today's video, I wanted to share with you the process of how I created this oil painting here. It's basically a painting of a cast, and it's my practice, it's my method of practicing how to basically get the values correct and how to get the forms and the whole 3D-ness of a subject to read well on a two-dimensional piece of paper. Here, for example, I wasn't doing this one on a canvas, but I did it on this primed paper that's used for oil paints. Okay guys, so first I'm starting out with just blocking in the simple proportions of the cast. I'm not working with an underdrawing or any kind of like measurement of proportions or everything. I just wanted to work directly on the canvas, just drawing with the oil paint diluted with some linseed oil. And as you can see, I'm just trying to get the basic value statement of the lights and shadows to read correctly. That's why I'm just blocking in some of the background, not the whole of the background. I'm just trying to get the face and the likeness as fast as possible. I'm also not concerned about the details with this painting, because the purpose of this practice was to actually get the value statement and the forms to read correctly. And if I wanted to, I could spend another 2 or 3 weeks on this one, just trying to get all the details in and everything, but that's not the purpose here. The purpose was just to get the shapes and everything to read correctly, and to really practice getting correct values on the canvas in this case. So here I'm just going in with the lighter color. I've also I'm basically using two brushes for this one, one for the dark values and one for the light values, to avoid getting muddy colors, because colors can get really muddied up if you use the same brush for the darks and for the lights. And I've tried that in the past and it doesn't work that well for me, so I'm just using different brushes for the lights and darks. Okay, so here I'm just trying to get some forms of the head in there, of the hair in there, because hair is also form. Here I'm just refining this really subtle gradations of on the turning of the form from the light into shadow. And I'm just working like a crazy grasshopper, just jumping around, trying to fix some here, some there. I'm just working on basically on intuition and I correct what I think doesn't fit into the painting. So this, for me at least, is a really good practice. Because I've struggled with getting correct values in the past. I still do, but at least I've improved just a little bit. So yeah, that's it. Just a really quick value study of a cast, and I'll really try to do as much as possible as I can of these, because it really helps you learn how to get the forms in there and how to get the forms to read, and how to get the values correctly. Okay, here I'm just, you can't see it because the camera cropped the frame, but I'm just trying to get a simple gradation in the background. So there you have it. This is it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions of how I could improve my process, or what I could do to basically get better at painting, I would be really grateful if you can share them in the comments below. And also, if you like the video, feel free to like it and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. So that's it guys, see you, hope